Justice Nyodi, in his judgment, blamed the accused persons for embarking on mob actions without having the facts about the action of the students. The judge said the death of the 4 children was a culmination of the shameful failure of security institutions, especially in the area of intelligence sharing, adding that the police, the C4I and the Joint Military Task Force failed in their responsibility. Speaking with newsmen, counsel to the convicted persons, Obidimma C. Obidimma, assured that judgment will be reappealed and that the decision of the court was based on findings of the investigation.
The matter was slated for judgment, and judgment have been given. I represented the first, second, third, and 7th accused person. Eventually, the 7th accused person was discharged and acquitted. But unfortunately, the first, second, and third, which I also represented, were sentenced to death. However, looking at the judgment, on our own end, we are sure that we are going to appeal based on the grounds of appeal we spotted out in the judgment.
Meanwhile, counsel to Abang Cyril, the 7th defendant, Abadias Charles Abapa, explained that his client Abang Cyril did not take part in mob action that led to the death of ALUU 4 victims. However, father of one of the killed students, Mike Toku, expressed joy in the judgment that the only consolation from the decision of the court is that the children who were wrongly killed have been vindicated.
I'm happy that the garment of robbery, criminality has been removed from the 4 boys who were killed in ALUU. It is now clear that they did not go there to steal. They were not criminals. They only went there to demand for death, and unfortunately they were killed. And I'm also happy that the 3 of them have been, sentenced, to death because of the crime they committed.
For his part, Director of Public Prosecutions, Ibiriki Otorubio, said the state will study the judgment and decide on the next line of action. 12 people were standing trial for the murder of the young undergraduates, but 5 were discharged early this year.